Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be matching the graph with the equation. So here we have four different equations and we've got four graphs that are estimated. They're not perfectly drawn. But what we're practicing today is just matching, being able to recognize the equation and kind of picture what that equation or that graph would look based on the equation. So we're going to start with A. So A here says we have an equation that says y equals 5 minus x squared. So here we have to recognize this very important 2. Whenever we have an x squared, it means we're dealing with a parabola. And so which of these four equation or graphs shows a parabola? It would be this first one. So this one right here, I'm going to say it would be A. So that first picture, that backwards or upside down U, think of that picture every time you see an x squared. All right, here the next one is B. Graph B, we have y equals the square root of 11 minus x squared. We see that x squared, but it's underneath a square root sign. So whenever you see that, picture half of a circle. So this one down here would be that graph. So the next one is C. We have y equals x plus 1, and this is one that we learn in, early on. This is the simplest graph. It's just a line. Whenever we have x by itself, we have a line. So that if you said it would be this top right hand corner one, that is correct. And last but not least, we have y equals x cubed minus x, and that would be this one right here in the bottom right hand corner. And one thing that really helps me is that those squares or that number, the exponent number, kind of helps me to know how many curvatures there are on each of these graphs. So for the first one, remember it's x squared, it's curving, it has at least one curve. The x by itself doesn't have any curves, so it's just a straight line. And we've got x cubed, and you've got two curvatures instead of just one in comparison to the parabola. So go ahead and make sure you practice recognizing as they give you the equations that you can picture the graphs in your mind. I hope this helps. I hope I see you in the next video.